Hey guys, Enzo here coming at you with a unboxing video of the O.S Maxima JTP B2R engine. I went ahead and picked this motor up through my good friend JTP. He was running a sale on his latest batch of Maxima engines that he got, and I figured this would be a great opportunity to pick one up to have a fresh motor for my buggy for the Nationals coming up here in June. So yeah, I haven't seen that many videos on the Maxima motors or any of that, so I just wanted to make this little video for anyone that is possibly debating purchasing a Maxima engine through Jared, or is kind of curious to see what they look like and what comes included. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and take everything out of the box and we'll come back and show you the motor. Alright, so everything is out of the box. We got our paperwork. Again, it is an OS Speed Spec 2 based engine. Aside with your manual, you get some pretty rad OS stickers. Always nice to have for those practice bodies. Then you get a note pretty much signifying to use the right fuel and all that, because that crank is silicone filled. So that's it for as far as paperwork. This manual also has exploded views, part numbers and stuff like that in case you ever need replacement parts, so that's always good to have. And then the engine itself. So we have that famous OS bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and pull the engine out. There it is. And there it is. They look really good when they're brand new, and there's that famous Maxima turquoise blue head. Looks pretty rad in person. I hope the camera picks it up as well as I'm seeing it in person, because this motor looks really pretty in person. So yeah, so we'll put this aside for a second and we'll go ahead and show you guys what comes included. Like all the OS engines, you get a P3 glow plug. I use the P3 in my truggy most of the time, and then in my buggy I personally like running P4s. Just a little bit smoother overall power band, makes it a little bit more drivable when you're using the high power engines like the Spec 2. The Spec 2 based engines always generate a ton of bottom end in a really good mid-range. So when using motors like that, or even the smoother ones, I've always liked the P4. But back to the video, you do get a P3 plug. As for Venturi, an extra of a 6.5, and that engine is going to come with a 6, I suppose. Go ahead and verify that for you guys. Yep, it is a 6. So you get a 6mm Venturi when you purchase this motor. One thing I also just noticed is that Maxima is super cool to give you carb returns O-rings. That's pretty nice of them. Not that many people do that, I just realized. So that's pretty cool that you get some carb rings when you buy MX motors. This looks like it's a new line of Spec 2s. My 110% Tessman motor that I also have, that is, again, the same motor internally, just different work that's done, obviously. But it doesn't come with those serial numbers on the side of the block. So it looks like this is a new generation of Spec 2. Pretty cool there. But yeah, and then, lastly, you do get the 21J carburetor with this engine. My 2102 comes with a 22C carb. Most of the 2101s and the Spec 2s always came with the 21J. But just to verify it, you do get a 21J carburetor with this engine. DLC crank, the typical OS shabazz. So yeah, again, I just wanted to make a quick video, quick unboxing of the new engine that I'm going to be saving for now until the Nationals get closer, and that I'll be breaking in and running in my buggy. But yeah, I haven't seen that many Maxima videos on YouTube. So again, I just wanted to do this quick little video, kind of show you guys everything that you get and show off a little bit the new mill. Again, looks super cool in person, and for anyone that does purchase this engine, you're definitely going to be happy with it. Great power. I've listened to them in person with other people. And it's just the power that they put out and the work that Maxima does to these motors is just incredible. So now pretty excited to actually break this in and run this in the buggy. So yeah, again, quick little update video / unboxing. More videos will come, and I'll go ahead and drop those other videos soon. But again, thanks for watching. Again, hopefully you enjoyed the Maxima OS Speed B2R JTP edition unboxing, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.